Welcome everyone, nice to have you here. In this video I'm going to show you how to use our FLOWZOOM Comfy Kids pillow. As all of our travel pillows, the Comfy Kids pillow will arrive in a nice box together with a handy pouch for an easy transport for your kids' next adventure. It comes in 3 different colors, so which one did you choose? Make sure to check if you have received everything and everything's alright with the pillow. If not, as always, please make sure to contact us. The Comfy Kids pillow is optimized for kids. It helps relieve the pressure on the spine and it does not push the head forward when your child leans back. It's made with our Breathe Easy fabric, which keeps the ideal temperature. The pillow has secure and stable press buttons for easy opening and closing without any risky string or cord. Place the pillow on your child's neck and close the buttons. For a maximum support, you can tighten the buttons like that, but make sure it's not too tight for the kid's neck. For less support, but still feeling comfort, just choose a wider setting. And for the ultimate rest, the head should feel supported on the sides and to the front. The Memory Pillow Premium Visco Foam is antibacterial to comply with your high hygiene standards. However, washing the pillow is recommended. You can find the zipper on the back side of the pillow and open it. Then separate the memory foam core from the pillowcase. It helps to press the memory foam while doing that. You can wash the pillowcase in a washing machine at 30 degrees Celsius. If you want to get the pillow ready to travel, simply fold it starting from the following side, then close the button. Then put the pillow in the travel pouch and close it securely. If you store the pillow for a longer period of time, we suggest not keep it in the pouch, instead store it uncompressed in your wardrobe. Make sure to check all of our products to be sure that you and your kids are going to arrive at your destination relaxed and happy. If you have any questions or suggestions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We are a young family business and we are listening to every suggestion of our customers. Thank you for watching and enjoy your trip.